Before you begin, remove the main service door. Removal. Loosen the captive P1 Phillips head screw that secures the drive service door to the base enclosure. Lift up the rear end of the drive service door until the left and right edges separate from the base enclosure. Slide the front tabs of the drive service door out of their slots in the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Slide the front tabs of the drive service door into their slots in the base enclosure. Press down firmly until the left and right edges of the drive service door click into place. Tighten the captive P1 Phillips head screw that secures the drive service door to the base enclosure.